Chinu, I feel really sad these days.
Oh no. What happened?
I try to talk, but I make many mistakes.
Oh, I understand. That must feel terrible.
It makes me afraid to speak.
Failing is part of learning. Don't worry too much.
But how can I start? Everything feels hard.
Think of English like building a house. Grammar and vocabulary are the foundation.
The foundation? I never thought of it that way.
I wake up at 7. Can you say that? Yeah?
I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
That is the way.
I did it! I really did it!
You certainly did.
You certainly did.
Now, let's try 10 more sentences. Yes. Make 10 sentences a day. Every day.
I will say them aloud and write them down.
That's the way. Slowly, you'll get better.
Can I tell you some sentences now? Of course.
Go ahead.
I eat breakfast at 8. I go to class at 9.
Good. Very clear. Very clear. Keep going.
I study with my friends. I drink tea at 4 o'clock. Thank you, Jinu. I will keep practicing.
Let's go play together! Come on! Come on!
Jinu! Jinu! Look!
Hey.
These are my new friends.
Hello! We are learning English together now. Now!
Is wonderful news. Learning is more fun with friends.
I used to be afraid, but now I feel brave.
Every word you speak is a step toward your dream. Welcome to the new start, Rumi.
Thank you!
Remember, Rumi, language is a bridge, not a wall.
A bridge to the world. I understand now.
Keep that fire in your heart, Rumi. Goodbye.